It's been very long I use my cap, so I'll be using it today while I explain whether to use the dollar cost average approach or the lump sum approach to invest £48,000 into the market. So if you want to invest £100 every month for the next 20 years, what your contribution would be £48,000. So let's assume that you have this £48,000 with you at this time and you want to lump sum, or you're looking at still dollar cost averaging, even though you have the money with you. So let's look at it. If you invest £48,000 once into the market, that's what we call lump summing, okay? What the result would be at the end of 20 years would be a total of £322,000 plus. However, if you invest the same money, but this time around with dollar cost average, that's breaking it down into pieces, so you're doing it every month, £200 every month for the next 20 years, the outcome would now be £153,000 after 20 years. Now you can see the difference. The difference is almost times 2. Now, dollar cost average is very powerful and useful for those that do not have that lump sum amount once. However, lump sum is very powerful for those who might have it and able to invest it. So there are a lot of ways you can look at it. Now, if you're lump summing into the market, it means that if there is drawdown, you would experience massive amounts being dropped from. So for that 48,000, you can see a drawdown of like 2,000 or 5,000. Would you be able to hold that? That's the next question you should ask yourself. So the both of them have pros and cons, but the outcome at the end of 20 years, I think it is better to actually lump sum than to dollar cost average. So if this video has helped you in any way, kindly hit the follow button, like this video as well, and I'll catch you on my next video as usual. Cheers.